Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly maintain financial stability? What's their secret? That's the golden question, isn't it? No matter what stage of life we're in, whether we're just starting out, mid-career, or nearing retirement, financial stability is a universal goal. It's the peace of mind we all yearn for, the comfort of knowing we have enough to meet our needs, and the freedom to enjoy our lives without financial worry. Financial stability is not about amassing great wealth or living extravagantly. Instead, it's about managing our resources wisely, planning for the unexpected, and building a safety net for the future. And how do we achieve this elusive goal? The answer, quite simply, is saving. Saving is the cornerstone of financial stability. It's the tool that allows us to weather financial storms, plan for our future, and build wealth over time. But here's the thing. Saving is not a one-size-fits-all concept. We all have different incomes, expenses, and financial goals. Therefore, what works for one person may not work for another. Traditional methods of saving, such as putting aside a fixed amount each month or investing in stocks and bonds, can be effective. However, they may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with fluctuating incomes or unforeseen expenses. That's where the concept of soft saving comes into play. Soft saving is a relatively new approach to saving, one that offers flexibility and adaptability. It's a method that can be tailored to fit our unique financial situations, making it a practical and effective strategy for achieving financial stability. So now you must be wondering, what exactly is soft saving? Well, it's a concept that's as intriguing as it sounds, a method that promises to make saving easier, more manageable, and yes, even enjoyable. But to truly understand and appreciate the power of soft saving, we need to delve deeper. So let's do just that. Let's delve into the world of soft saving and explore how it can help us achieve our financial goals and secure our financial future. A soft saving, a term not commonly thrown around, is a game changer in the world of personal finance. So, what is it exactly? Well, it's a method of saving money where one sets aside small amounts frequently, rather than stashing away large sums intermittently. Think of it as the tortoise in the age-old tale of the tortoise and the hare. It's slow and steady, but it wins the race. Let's break it down with some examples. Imagine you're a coffee lover. You buy a cup of coffee every day for, let's say, $5. Now, instead of doing that, you decide to make coffee at home, which costs you just $1. That's a saving of $4 a day. Multiply that by 7 days a week and you've got $28. In a month, that's a saving of about $112. Small change, big difference. Or think about your weekly grocery shopping. You usually buy brand name products, but this time, you opt for the store brand items, which are often just as good. If you save even $5 a week this way, that's $20 a month, or $240 a year. Again, not a huge amount on its own, but over time, it adds up. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but it doesn't sound like a lot of money. And you're right, in the grand scheme of things, these amounts might seem small. But the beauty of soft saving is that it's not about making massive cuts to your budget or drastically changing your lifestyle. It's about making small, manageable changes that over time can lead to significant savings. So you see, soft saving is not about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices, being a bit more mindful about where your money is going, and recognizing the potential in every dollar. It's about realizing that every little bit counts, and that over time, those little bits can add up to a whole lot. Now that we know what soft saving is, how does it work in practice? The beauty of soft saving lies in its simplicity. It's a financial strategy that has been gaining traction due to its flexibility and adaptability to different incomes and lifestyles. But how does it work? Let's break it down step by step. First, you begin by setting a financial goal. This could be anything from a dream vacation, a new car, or even a cushion for unexpected expenses. The key here is to make your goal specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Or in other words, SMART. Second, you'll need to decide on a percentage of your income to set aside for your soft savings. This can be as little as 1% or as much as 20%, depending on your income and comfort level. Remember, the goal is not to put yourself in financial strain, but to gradually build up a nest egg. Third, you'll want to set up automatic transfers from your main account to your soft savings account. This can typically be done through your bank's online portal or mobile app. The beauty of this step is that it's a set it and forget it approach. You won't have to worry about forgetting to transfer funds because it's done automatically. Fourth, and perhaps most importantly, you'll need to monitor your progress. Check in on your soft savings account regularly. This will not only give you a sense of achievement as you see your savings grow, but it will also allow you to make adjustments if necessary. One of the best parts about soft saving is its flexibility. If you find that you're saving too much and it's causing financial stress, you can easily adjust the percentage you're saving. Alternatively, if you find that you're comfortably meeting your savings goal, you might decide to increase your savings rate. And there you have it. That's the step-by-step process of soft saving. It's a simple strategy, but one that can make a big difference in your financial health over time. With these steps, you can start your journey towards financial stability. But why should you choose soft saving over other methods? Soft saving may seem like a slow process, but its benefits are manifold. Let's delve into these advantages, shall we? First off, soft saving reduces financial stress. When you're setting aside small amounts of money consistently, you're building a safety net. This safety net acts as a cushion, absorbing financial shocks and unexpected expenses. You no longer have to worry about how to pay for that sudden car repair or an unexpected medical bill. This peace of mind is priceless, and it's something you can achieve with soft saving. Next, soft saving helps develop a saving habit. By consistently setting aside small amounts, you're cultivating a habit of saving. Over time, this becomes second nature. You won't even notice the money leaving your account, but you'll certainly notice it accumulating. This habit is incredibly beneficial, not just for your financial health, but for your mental well-being too. It brings a sense of accomplishment and control over your finances. Moreover, soft saving eliminates the need for large, painful cuts from your income. Rather than having to drastically reduce your spending all at once, you're able to make small, manageable changes. This makes the process of saving much less daunting and much more achievable. It's like climbing a mountain. Rather than trying to leap to the top in one bound, you're taking steady, manageable steps. And before you know it, you're standing at the summit, looking down on the financial stability you've achieved. Finally, soft saving allows for flexibility. Unlike hard saving, where you have a fixed amount to save each month, soft saving allows you to adjust your savings depending on your income and expenses. This makes it a more realistic and sustainable method of saving, especially for those with fluctuating incomes. Soft saving truly is a powerful tool in maintaining financial stability. It's like a slow and steady river, carving its way through the landscape, shaping and smoothing as it goes. It might not seem like much at first, but given time, it can create something truly remarkable. Let's summarize. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap. We started off by addressing the burning question of financial stability and how it's a goal that's not just desirable, but attainable for everyone. The secret sauce? Soft saving. So, what is soft saving? It's a method of saving money where you gradually and consistently set aside small amounts. It's like a slow and steady stream that eventually forms a river. You might not notice the impact initially, but over time it accumulates into a substantial amount. The mechanics of soft saving are simple, yet effective. It's essentially about making saving an integral part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or having breakfast. You could opt to save a small portion of your daily expenses, or set up an automated system to transfer a fixed amount to your savings account each day. The amount doesn't have to be large. Even a few dollars a day can make a significant difference over time. Now let's talk about the benefits. Soft saving is a practical and painless way to save money. It doesn't require you to make drastic changes to your lifestyle or to sacrifice your little pleasures. It's all about smart money management and building a habit of saving. It also creates a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps you achieve your financial goals, be it a dream vacation, a new car, or a comfortable retirement. Remember, financial stability isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Start your soft saving journey today. The road might seem long, but every step you take is a step towards a secure financial future. So, why wait? Start soft saving now and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Online with Teresa and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.